Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you about a brand new feature in the Microsoft Power Platform. This is the ERD. I was asking Alex before, what the heck is ERD? And until that, now I know that we are talking about the entity relationship diagram, View Assist by Copilot.
That's right, Gaston. The product team just announced that the ERD view or entity uh, relationship diagram view assisted by Copilot is now available, generally available. So this feature, I think, is a little bit a game changer because for anyone working with complex data model, it's going to help a lot and speed a lot the time that you need to invest on create those data models on the Power Platform. So let's dive into what makes this feature so special.
Yeah, of course, Alex. And the ERD View Assist by Copilot is kind of a one-stop shop for creating and managing multi-table data models. It offers an ERD view, which makes it incredible easy on how to visualize and build complex data structures.
Yeah, so and what one of the standout features in is the ability to create tables using natural language. So you can simply describe the table you need, and the ERD View Assist Copilot will generate it for you. So plus you can bring in data from, for example, Excel files and SharePoint list through simple drag and drop actions. So that's awesome. So let's head over to my machine to see how it works effectively. So couple of points before, this feature is now accessible in 9 different language. This is a great announcement, including English, French, German, Spanish, Dutch, Danish, Italian, Japanese, and Portuguese. So this means more users around the world can take advantage of this enhanced data experience in their native language. Another point before start the demo is to make things even better. Microsoft has integrated the latest GPT models, so GPT 4.0 Mini and GPT 4.0, into this release. Let's start. As you can see here, as usual, this is the homepage for Power Apps. I'm here on makepowerup.com. I just access to my makepowerup.com. Of course, I have the try the new Power Up experience activated here, and that brings all this new thing here with the let's make a plan that we show on a couple of other videos, how to create a Power Platform solution using plan designers. But let's see the new feature for that particular feature on next video, and let's focus on the ERD assistant Copilot. So a couple of things here is like the one of the major improvement is the ability to access to the ERD View Copilot directly from within your solution. So this streamlines how tables and apps are created and managed, ensuring they adhere to your solution specific standards and governance from the very beginning. So let's check the two options we have to work with the ERD. First of all is if we click here on tables on the left hand side, and let's create a table. So what happened here if I click on start with a blank table? If you remember on the past, that just show you a form that you are able to add the name, the type of the column, of the table, and maybe the internal name. What happened now? If you click here, start with a blank table, that is going to open for us the ERD design, uh, and voila, what we are here. We have the one table, the table we want to create, and but that start looking, looking like a diagram, So let's say that we have a table here for, let's say, cars. Okay, so let's create like some tables for the car dealer, So let's say we have cars here, and also, as usual, we can click on view table or hide data. So let's click on view data again, and we can add column here. But as I mentioned before, we have on the right hand side, we have Copilot here. Okay. So what that means? That means that we can describe or natural language what we need to do with tables, columns, and all. So you can create the column directly here, or you can say create a column for the car column for the car. Let's say the bean. That is the identifier for the car that we all know about that. And of course, Copilot is going to create the column for us, and also I can say like add sample data, and Copilot is going to add for me sample data. But let's say that we need more information and round out. So I could say create a table for the car brand. And this should create the table for the car brand and the car model. So that's it. The Copilot understand that I don't just need a table named car brand to have the car brand. Also, I need something like car model, because could be different model for a simple car brand. So, and that's a good point here, that you can be a little bit open on what you're asking to Copilot, and Copilot is going to create even more that you just ask for them. And also here, so we have a couple of options. Let's say that of course, we are creating a diagram, So we need to connect the dots. So we need to create the relationship between the cars and the car model. But so we can click here on create relationship, and the ERD is going to suggest for us one to many, many to one, depends of our relationship. Select the table for one, and select the table for many, and also the display name for the relationship. This is the common thing. This is the pretty much the same way we create relationship on other databases. That is not particular for Dataverse. But let's imagine that we want to create that relationship, but we don't know much about the relationship, because if need to be one to many, many to one. That this is maybe one question that we all ask ourselves when we are trying relationship and trying to match. Okay, this is one to many, many to one. But so you have Copilot to help you on that thing. So you can just ask Copilot, you know create a relationship between cars and car model for each car. So should be only one. For each car should be only exist only one model. It's bad redacted, but doesn't matter. Let's see what happened. So what happened here is effectively that the Copilot created a relationship between cars and car models, and also say that is many to one, because a car have only one car model, but for one car model could be many cars. So and we can continue working on it, but so I'm going to stop here, And show one more thing before wrap up. I'm going to save that and save and exit. Yeah. So let me duplicate the tab here quickly because I want to show you that we can use, oh my gosh, the same experience using solution. And this is one of the new improvement for that. It's not just for create tables on the tables. Also, we can use that on solution. So if I came here to my solution, PowerMate 1, and I click on new table, and as you can see here, this is a good point because the next thing is going to be funny. I have already defined a couple of tables. The prompt for to create that table was I need a system to manage taxis. So the Copilot just create the driver, the trip, and the vehicle. Okay, sounds good to me. But what happened here is say, okay, I need an extra table here. So I click here on tables. The solution is going to direct me into the ERD, and I can create a new table, but I can use to say use existing table. So I can continue work on it and say, okay, I'm going to continue using drivers, trip, vehicles, So I add it. And now I can say, okay, add a new table for taxi owners. So what is the point here is like you can continue working on your data model even if at the first glance you just create three tables, because on that particular moment when you start designing your solutions, okay, I only need those three tables, but you can also came back, add existing table to ARD view, and add more tables, edit the relationship, add more columns, and on this single interface. So whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting started with data modeling, I think that ERD View assist by Copilot in Microsoft Power Platform or Microsoft Power Apps has something to offer. So it is designed on some point to make your life easier. So I help you to create those powerful data driven solutions. So Gaston, I know you love data. I know you love data models. So what do you think about all this new stuff?
This is really great, Alex. And but we've been discussing this offline because before the recording of this video. But my main question for Alex was, hey, why I should be doing this and not leveraging directly Power BI or Fabric to create all the entity relationship model and the primary key and the foreign key and all the stuff. And of course, Alex was telling me, but if the client or the company doesn't have anything around Power BI or Fabric, now you can build the entire entity model in Power Apps. So that is really meaningful on my end, really meaningful in terms of, you can create the primary key, the relationships, all the tables, leverage Copilot for the creation of the whole entity model back there, and you can do everything directly in Power Apps without any need to go around and ramping up on any additional external solutions. So that's amazing.
Yeah, that's right. That's the point. And so, Power Mates, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
And as usual, together, let's unlock the full potential for Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.